Well, hello there, friends. This is William Pollett, otherwise known as It's a Yaya, going to sing you little nature babies because Mother Nature loves little babies, babies. Mother Nature loves little babies, yeah. Mother Nature loves little babies, babies. Mother Nature loves little babies, yeah. Nature babies, nature babies. Mother Nature loves the little babies, yeah. Nature babies, nature babies. Mother Nature loves the little babies, yeah. Mother Nature loves little babies, babies. Mother Nature loves the little babies, yeah. Mother Nature loves baby deer, yeah. Mother Nature loves little baby fawns. Mother Nature loves baby birds, yeah. Mother Nature loves little baby chicks. Mother Nature loves little rabbits, rabbits. Mother Nature loves baby bunnies, yeah. Mother Nature loves little babies, babies. Mother Nature loves little babies, yeah. Nature babies, nature babies. Mother Nature loves little babies, yeah. Nature babies, nature babies. Mother Nature loves little babies, yeah. Oh, check it out. There's a deer right over here. Oh, can't see it. Where's it going? Hey, come back. Focus, focus, focus.